Hi friends, we will discuss how we can check prime number in Python. Okay, so let me first clear your confusion that if you have any on prime number, like what is prime number? So if I ask you, is 2 a prime number? What will you answer? The answer will be yes, 2 will be a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Why 2 is a prime number? Because it is divisible by only two factors. One is 1 and another is by 2 itself. So it is a prime number. Okay. If I ask you 3 is a prime number, yes, 3 is also a prime number. Why? Because it is divisible by 1 and by 3. So only two factors. 3 is not divisible by 2. So 3 is a prime number. If I ask you if is 4 a prime number, your answer would be no. 4 is not a prime number. Why? If I ask you why 4 is not a prime number, so your answer will be 4 is divisible by more than two factors. How? 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by itself, 4. So there are more than two factors. So it is 4 is not a prime number, not a prime number. Okay. So if I ask you 5, is 5 a prime number? Your answer will be yes, 5 is a prime number. Why 5 is a prime number? Because 5 is divisible by only two factors. The first factor is 1 and another factor is by itself means 5. So 5 is a prime number. So your concept is clear now that prime number is one which is divisible by only two factors, and that those two factors are by 1 and by itself. And what is not a prime number? Which is which is if it has more than two factors which can divide it, which is divisible, then it is definitely not a prime number. For example, 8 is not a prime number because it can be divided, but it is divisible by more than two factors. So this should be clear now. So if I ask you guys, write a program in Python to check whether 6 is a prime number or not. So what will you do? It's a very simple thing to do. First, what you do, first you will run a for loop. For I, you take a variable I in range. Okay. So I will not write the logic first. I will first go through with the for loop. If you guys not aware of the for loop, if I write here 2 comma 4, so loop will run from 2 to 3. Okay. So what would be the output then? 2 and 3. So let's confirm it. Print I. Okay. So this is what it says. It says colon is missing. So let's give colon and then give this indentation. Okay, and then print. So 2 and 3. So if I give 2 comma 5, so what would be the reply? 2, 3 and 4. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. It runs from 2, 3 and 4. So my logic here will be very simple. What will be my logic? It will start from 2 and it will run up to int and then num. What is the num here? 6. It can be anything. So num divided by 2, okay, and plus 1. This is the logic. It's a very simple logic. So if num is 6, so 6 by 2 means 3 plus 4 means 4. 3 plus 1 means 4. So 2 comma 4. So how many times it will run? 2. From it will start from 2 and up to 3 it will run. So if during this, if num is divisible, num modulo, this is the modulo I. If num modulo I equal to 0, num modulo I equal to 0, then if any if anything between which start from 2 to 3. Okay, and if we divide it through, if 6 is divided by 2 and 6 is divided by 3, that means, right? So if any of these two results come 0 modulo, if 6 modulo 2 comes 0, or 6 modulo 3 comes 0, then it is not a prime number. So what will you write here? Print not a prime number. Okay, and then here you will give num. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is almost done, and there is another logic else. So what will you write here? Print. Just copy it. Num is a prime number. So logic is very clear. If num is divisible by any of this range, means start from 2 to 3, then this is not a prime number, and if else it is a prime number. So let's start from 6. Let's run this program first. Okay. So it said expected. Where it does it say expected? And in the else column. Okay. Else part. Okay. So let's run it again. Okay. 6, not a prime number. So let's give it this. Okay, and run it again. So it is coming 2 times. Why it is coming 2 times? Because we haven't given a break here. So let's give a break here and then run. Okay, 6 is not a prime number. Why 6 is not a prime number? Because if I divide 6, if I use the modulo operator, and is 6 modulo 2 and 6 modulo 3 both comes 0. So that is, it is not any, if any of the result comes 0, then it is not a prime number. Okay, if let's take with 7. Okay, 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Why 7 is a prime number? Because it doesn't fulfill this uh, this logic. Okay, so that is why, because if I give 7 by 2, and then if I do modulo, then it doesn't come 0, right? So that is why 7 is a prime number. So in this way, you can test it in a different manner also. You can ask for input from the user, and then you can decide whether it's a prime number or not. Okay, input. So here num is given. So num. So here it is. Why it is giving error? Let me check. This one is not closed. Okay, that is why it is giving errors. So let's run it. So enter number to check. If I check here 3 and then press enter. So let's see. So let's run it again. Let's run 4. So 4 is not a prime number, because if I give another else here, then it will work for 3 as well. So let's see here. If I put else, print is a prime number, because that will be for, I think that will be for the third part, expected, this one. Okay, check. Let's see, give 3. 3 is a prime number. You got it? So this was missing. That is why when we run it first time after taking the input, it didn't work. Let's try here again. Let's try here again. So if I give it 5, let's run it. 5 is a prime number. Let's try it with which is not a prime number. 10. 10 is not a prime. 10 is not a prime number. So enter it. 10 is not a prime number. So if you have any question, please write in the comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Please subscribe my channel for more videos in Python and PHP and React and so on. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you.